Thank you for choosing this video about the Turabian citation format brought to you by the ATC Library. After completing this introduction session, you should have a basic understanding of how to format Turabian citations within the text of your paper and in a reference list at the end of your paper. There are two places in your paper where you will cite your sources, within the text and in a reference list. Since in-text or parenthetical citations refer your reader to the reference list page, it's best to create your reference list first. You need to cite all information that is not your original thought or common knowledge. It's extremely important to cite your sources as you're doing your research in order to avoid plagiarizing. First, determine the type of material you're citing. This could be a print book, magazine, or journal. It could also be a website or a journal article from an online database. For each source, record details such as author, title, date, page number, etc. This will help the person reading your paper to find the source later. For specific information on how to format each type of source in your reference list, take a look at this online guide from Trinity University or ask for help at the library's circulation desk. On your reference list page, center the words Reference List at the top. All citations should be ordered alphabetically by the author's last name. If there's no author, use the title of the source. Indent every line after the first in each citation 5 spaces. Now you need to format your in-text citations. If you quote, paraphrase, or summarize a source in your paper, you need to cite it in parentheses. The in-text or parenthetical citation will contain just enough information to help the reader find the source in the reference list at the end of your paper. Whatever is listed first in the reference list entry will be used in the in-text citation. This might be the author or the title of the article, for example. The usual format is to include the author's last name and the publication date for the source, followed by the page number, if the source includes page numbers. Look at the first example. Note that the period goes outside the parentheses. If you mention the author in the sentence, you only need to include the publication year and page number in parentheses, as you'll see in the second example. If there is no date listed for a source, use ND in the place of the date, as you'll see in the final example. In the case of an online source, there may not be any page numbers given either. For more information on the Turabian citation format, be sure to review the Turabian Quick Guide online. This is a resource from the University of Chicago Press. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this important topic. If you need more assistance, please come visit the library in the 1100 building on campus or call the circulation desk at 803-508-7430.